Hey, this is long overdue. Today we're going to Costa Pacifica at Baler, Aurora. Maggie here and the rest of the family. Morning! Paalis kami now. We're going to Baler, to the north. I think it's about 5 to 6 hours drive. We're still at home, but we're hoping to get there around 2 or 1 p.m. at the earliest if hindi kami mag-lunch on the way. Okay, we're going to Baler. Please, sana dumating si Mr. Sun. Good morning! We're leaving! Nagtatago yung mga tao. Hi, Daddy. Safe travels. See you in Baler! So, as usual, we're coming from Mindanao Avenue sa NLEX. So, now, masyadong mahaba yung biyahe natin. Actually, ang dadaanan natin would be NLEX, SCTEX, and then TPLEX. O, di ba? Ang haba. We're expecting siguro mga 6-hour drive para makarating sa Baler. So, dapat yung mga RFID natin may load. I think this is around 460 to 520 hanggang maka-exit na tayo going to Baler, Aurora. If you're hungry, you can stop over anywhere for lunch. May fast food kayo madadaanan. Ganda ng coconut trees. Oh my gosh, after 5.5 hours, including a quick stop sa Jollibee for lunch, we're kinda 15 minutes away to Costa Pacifica. Siyempre nagtatago yung mga kasama ko, guys. Yeah, but ang ganda ng view over here. We've arrived. So, first stop muna tayo sa Baler Church. Daan lang kami because today is a very special day. It's our anniversary. So, visit first the church before proceeding to Costa Pacifica to check in. Okay? Bye, guys! Away to Costa Pacifica. 2 minutes daw. Ito na, nakikita ko na. To the left tayo. So, we're here sa Costa Pacifica. What's good about the resort is meron silang private parking for their guests and travelers. This is their lobby. Yes, may Christmas tree pa po. Pasensya na. Late post, but this was taken end of December 2022. Check-in muna. So, we've arrived. At merong pa-welcome drinks. Guys, ano yung welcome drinks? Buko-lychee. Nag-check-in na po kami. Yes. After 6 hours, we've arrived sa Costa Pacifica. Happy day. Pasok na tayo sa hotel. This is the beach house. Oh, ang daming tao, guys. Our reservations is at the Pacifica, 1-bedroom suite, so 2nd floor, overlooking the beach. Room tour. So, room 223. Ito na yung One Pacifica 1-bedroom suite. So, yung reception area, we had it converted into day beds for Kuya and Bunso. They have a small kitchenette. You can ask for water. Downstairs, may coffee maker, sugar, sink. And this is where we're going to place all the food laters. Of course, mayroon TV. So this is their reception area. Ito ang ating circular table. And this one, atras akong konti. Kasi, ay, ang ganda. Okay. We're at the veranda. Can you see that? Still at the veranda. So since occupied, kumbaga yung buong haba nito would be the reception area and our bedroom. Now, going inside, ito yung main bedroom. Syempre, they set up kasi they knew na it's our anniversary. So, may pa Brazo de Mercedes pa. Thank you so much, Costa Pacifica. There's a safety deposit box, may hangers, may payong, baka umulan. This is the door going to the very huge washroom. May his and her na sink. Malaki yung shower area, and there's also the toilet na different yung door. And as you can see, tagusan siya up until the reception area. May coffee and tea making facilities. So, pag maulan, masarap magkape, diba? And then, meron din tong personal na ref or mini size na fridge here. So, ikot-ikot muna tayo, guys. Kasi walang sunset to eh. Ang Costa Pacifica actually is a sunrise resort. Dito, makikita yung sunrise. So, ito yung grounds. Ang ganda ng pool. Ang daming tao. Super. Fully booked daw sila. So, we weren't expecting na fully booked today. But, regardless, maganda pa rin. When you're in Baler, you should only stay at Costa Pacifica. So, explore din natin yung buong beachfront. Meron na rin mga ibang resorts here. And since paggabi na, it's like 6 in the evening, madilim na. Cloudy, pero sabi ni Manong kanina dun sa may Costa Pacifica na ito yung normal. Baka nga mag-high tide pa siya. So, although kabahan, as you can see, and mahangin, diba? And kahit na beach destination, right decision talaga to be bringing my because it's so cold. It's so cold. It's really cold here. It's around like 24 degrees, sabi nila. Pero dahil siguro sa hangin. Okay? Nighttime, we're going back to the room with, my gosh, parang hindi ko yata kayang mag-swim, ang lamig. So this one is the kiddie pool. We're at the lobby, we're just waiting for dinner time, and there are a lot of gingerbread houses siguro kasi nga Christmas season pa rin. As you can see, meron din silang movie, diba? May pa-movie watch, and then there's a popcorn stand right there. That's free for those checked in who's also wanting to watch the movie. May the popcorn. Nice. So, dinner time. Eto na ang kanilang buffet area. Ang daming choices, sumptuous talaga yung buffet. Siguro kasi festive pa rin yung season, diba? So, ayan na. I will let you na lang see for yourself ano yung mga nakahanda on their buffet table this evening. Alright? So, after dinner, may pa-surprise. Pag December yata, from December, mga Christmas season, may mga events sila. So, for tonight, may fire dance. O, ayun na si ate, nag-fire dance na. At syempre, walang pila sa popcorn. So, we also wanted to try it kahit hindi kami mag-movie watch. Sayang walang salt. Cheddar lang meron. So, since maaga-aga pa, labas muna kami. We wanted to see ano yung mga nandun sa labas. So, we'd have other options for dining. So, marami rin pala. Maraming mga restaurants. Walang fast food, pero may mga locals na kainan. Another day. So, buffet breakfast naman. Grabe, no? Pag bakasyon talaga, hindi mo maiwasan to gain weight. But, eto yung mga selection naman. Merong mga prepare na rin. And, I think omelette. Siyempre, hindi mawawala yan sa mga breakfast station. Siyempre, bestseller talaga yung bacon, no? And, etong nakita ko sa resort na super happy ako. Meron silang magtataho inside the beach house, which is yung restaurant sa Costa Pacifica. Oh, sarap. May taho for breakfast. Ang lakas ng waves. At ayaw nilang mag-aral ng surfing, OMG. So, ayan. Tayo-tayo na lang muna dito by the beachfront. So, quick shower lang and we went to the other end of the beach. Nasa Baler pa rin tayo. Yung rooms dito, they're called Casita by Costa. Pag fully book sa kabila, ito yung binibenta rin nila if you still wanna make use of the facilities of Costa Pacifica. So, ditong side yun. Maganda rin yung area and then may beachfront pero kailangan mo tumawid ng kalye kasi for you to be able to go to the beachfront and do the surfing. Grabe, ang ganda ng some snapshots from our trip. Thanks for watching. There's a part 2 of this Baler trip to cover naman lahat ng mga tourist destination. Pa-like and subscribe please and hit the notification bell. Be kind always. Bye guys. Thank you.